Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to safely disable the protection and delete organizational units in Windows Server 2025. Managing organizational units is a critical task for IT administrators. However, by default, Windows Server protects OUs from accidental deletion to prevent data loss or unintended changes. This built-in security feature is great, but when you actually need to delete an OU, you may find that it's not as simple as pressing the delete button. When you open the Active Directory Users and Computers console, on the left side, you'll find the organizational units you've previously created listed under your domain name. If you want to delete an OU, for example, the one named Test, right-click on it and select Delete. When you confirm the deletion request, you will receive a message stating that you cannot delete the organizational unit due to the lack of permission for this type of operation. Therefore, you must safely disable protection and delete the organizational unit. The first thing you need to do is view Active Directory Users and Computers with advanced features until all features are visible. Click the View tab and select Advanced Features. This will display additional object properties, including the Object tab that we need next. Then right-click the organizational unit you want to delete and click Properties. From OU Properties page, click the Object tab that appears after enabling advanced features. At the bottom, you will find a checkbox titled Protect Object from Accidental Deletion. Uncheck this box to remove protection for the organizational unit, then click Apply button and OK to apply changes. Now that protection is disabled for the organizational unit, verify that deletion is enabled for the organizational unit. Right-click on the organizational unit named Test and select Delete. Confirm the deletion when prompted. The organizational unit will now be successfully deleted. When deleting any other organizational unit, you must also disable protection for the organizational unit using the same last step. That's it. In today's video, we've learned the steps to securely delete a protected organizational unit in Active Directory on Windows Server 2025. This is a critical administrative skill, especially when cleaning up old structures or implementing a new organizational hierarchy. Always exercise caution when deleting organizational units, especially if they contain users, groups, or other items. Consider backing up your directory or exporting the contents of the organizational unit before deleting. If you found this video helpful, please like and share it with others, and subscribe to my channel for more Windows Server and Active Directory tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.